Welcome back. Let's do question 8b2. In the diagram below, a ball bounces indefinitely along the path modeled below. The ball starts at A, where it is catapulted into the air before bouncing for the first time at B. The horizontal distance BC is 3/4 of AB and CD is 3/4 of BC. This pattern continues indefinitely. Each bounce is modeled by the equation y is equal to -1/2 x minus p squared plus q. So this is an equation of a quadratic function. If the ball continues to bounce, it will eventually converge with the horizontal 60 meters from point A. Right, in the previous question, we managed to find that AB is 4 meters. AB is 4 meters. If BC is 3/4 of AB, so it means BC is 3 meters. Okay, because 3/4 of 4 is equal to 3. And then CD is 3/4 of BC, so CD is going to be 3/4 of 3, which is 9/4. So this one is 9/4 meters. Right, what is the instruction here? The question is, what is the maximum height reached by the ball between B and C? So the shape of this path is quadratic. That means the maximum height will be along the axis of symmetry of this parabolic shape. Right, so we need to find the equation of this axis of symmetry. Right, from A to B, that's 4 meters, which means this one is 4. And then B to C is 3 meters, which means this one is 7. So 4 and 7, they're like our x-intercepts. And then what is the midpoint of between 4 and 7? The midpoint here, you can say 4 plus 7 divided by 2, which is 11/2 or 5,5. That is the axis of symmetry. We have the value of x. So you can say x is equal to 11/2. Let's find the equation of this path. So we have the x-intercepts and the value of a we have, which is -1/2. So we start with the equation y is equal to a, x minus x1, x minus x2. Then y is equal to -1/2. That's our a from this equation. Then x. Let me start by substituting 4 and 7. So it's x minus 4, then x minus 7. Okay, the x-intercepts. And then what would be the value of y if x is 11/2? So where there's x, we put 11/2. So y is equal to -1/2. 11/2 minus 4, then 11/2 minus 7. Right, we can put this whole thing in the calculator. We'll get that y is equal to 1,125 meters. So 1 decimal place, y is equal to 1,1 meters.